Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Pick Your Needs Lint Shaver. This product can be used for woolen clothes where after a while they show signs of wear and tear with some lint on the surface. This product can be used to cut off that lint and make the clothes, the woolen clothes that is, look fresh and newer. The front of the box has an image of the product itself. The model number is on the bottom. On the left hand side, we have some instructions on how to use the device, and we also have some warnings like please not to use it as a hair shaver. There are also some more warnings, but that one was the most important. On the right hand side, we have a few of the salient features, which include a fiber and lint storeroom, which is basically a compartment on the device that stores the lint which can be disposed of later on. It also has a high quality metal plate on the inside. And the last one is basically showing that it is a powered device and not a battery operated device. On top and over here, we have a couple of QR codes where you can leave feedback for the brand. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front, and there is nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the lint shaver and a little brush to clean the blades and the storage compartment. Coming to the lint shaver, we can see that there is a pink and gray color theme going for it, with it being predominantly pink, and there is some gray on the power switch and underneath the blades. The blades are protected thanks to this plastic cap or cover, and we can see the blades underneath that. Uh, Under the blades, we have the little storage compartment where the cut off lint can be stored and disposed of later on. To remove the compartment, all we need to do is pry it outwards, and then we can see that it has a storage area right here. Coming to the cable, we see that it has a black flat cable that should prevent tangles, and there is a two-pin Indian plug on the other end. The cable length is approximately 51 to 52 inches long. So let's see this lint shaver in action now. Here we have a power strip, which we will connect to the electric to the lint shaver, and we also have a cloth that has a little bit of lint on the ends. So this is a good demonstration. uh, so this should make for a good demonstration. All we need to do is switch on the device. The blades start to spin, and all we need to do is carefully cut the tassels. So this was the unboxing of the Pick Your Needs Lint Shaver. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.